Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Mariam Jan Saima, a student of class 8. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mariam Jan Saima. In this channel, I will share you English in a very easy and simple way. We will start with vocabulary such as name of vegetables, name of flowers, common daily words, easy sentence, and simple English topic. I will explain everything in simple English. Now, let me present the name of two beautiful flowers. First one is rose. We call it gulab, and second one is sunflower. We call it surjamukhi. And look, very beautiful flowers. And we call it Bougainvillea spectabilis, যাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি বাগান বিলাস. If you like this video, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, এটা আমার প্রথম ভিডিও. যদি কোনো ভুল হয়ে থাকে তাহলে কমেন্ট বক্সে ধরিয়ে দিবেন. Best of you.